Claudia, sono di Parma e oggi preparerò il piatto principale e della nostra tradizione, che sono i tortelli d'erbetta.
This is Claudia from Parma in northern Italy, a city famous for its tortelli d'erbetta pasta. These are Swiss chard and ricotta filled ravioli, and they are one of Claudia's specialities. First she makes the pasta using 500 grams of soft wheat flour and 5 eggs. Claudia kneads the dough until it is smooth and springy.
Ed è perfetta se dentro ha I buchini.
She says it's ready because there are little holes in it.
Intanto prepariamo le verdure per fare il ripieno.
To make the filling, Claudia boils Swiss chard leaves, and once cool, she squeezes out as much water as she can. She then uses a sharp mezzaluna to chop up the chard. She likes the filling to have texture, and using a food processor gives you a puree, which you don't want. Claudia uses a special cow's milk ricotta with added cream, but she doesn't add an egg, as this makes the filling too dense for her liking. She judges how much Swiss chard to add with an experienced eye. Claudia is keen on sharp knives, especially for cutting hard cheese. She recommends using freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano that's 24 months old. The only other ingredients are salt and grated nutmeg. She then stirs everything in to make a firm texture. Claudia can use a rolling pin to roll out the dough, but she prefers the ease of an electric pasta maker. To make the tortelli, Claudia spoons walnut-sized pieces of ricotta along the pasta strip, folds it over and pats it down before cutting it into squares. While the tortelli simmer for a couple of minutes, Claudia melts large quantities of butter in a double saucepan. She says it's really important the tortelli should drown in butter and dry on the Parmigiano cheese. Buon appetito!
Il piatto è servito. Tortelli d'erbetta alla parmigiana, affogati nel burro e asciugati con il Parmigiano Reggiano.
Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.